Hello guys, welcome to my first video in the Golang tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Golang on a Linux or a Windows system. First, let's see how to install Golang on a Linux system. First, let's download Golang. It's golang.org/dl. If you have a Linux 64-bit system, go for this one. So in my case, I'll download Linux. As I have already downloaded Golang, I'll cancel it now. So I have my downloaded file here. So let's go ahead and extract this file. So open, extract. I'll extract to my home directory. This is the root of the Golang compiler. So let's set path to the go root and go path. For the go path, we need a new folder for our workspace, right? So workspace is actually where the third-party packages and all the packages are put into, and where you actually develop your code. So let's create a workspace now. Workspace. Let's set the path to go root and go path. I'll use nano to edit the bash RC file. So let's go down. Your file may be a little bit different than mine, but it's okay. So let's export go root first. The $home is a variable which specifies our home directory. So from our home directory, it's the go folder. And let's export go path. And let's make changes to the path as well. So this points to the bin directory in the go root folder, and the colon acts as a delimiter between two paths. Then let's append the original contents of the path. That should work. So let's write it, exit, close this out, and open a new terminal. Check out go version. There you go. We have successfully installed Golang. So let's check out with the small program. Let's open up terminal here and make dir minus p, I guess, src/test cd src/. Let's create a new file and let's create a new hello world program, hello.go. The command to run a go file is go run hello.go. Hello from go. Here you go, it works. So let's see how to install Golang on Windows. So on Windows, it's pretty much straightforward. You download the Golang file from the golang.org/dl, double click on it, and let the installer take you through. So you have to basically give next, and finish or install. It'll take a minute or two to install. So the installation has completed. Let's give finish. Let's open up command prompt. Let's test go version. Okay, it's working. In Windows, go root is set by default, but we have to set the go path. So to set the go path, go to right click on my computer, properties, and go to advanced settings. There you should see environmental variables. Click on that. So if you don't have a path variable set there, you have to click on new and add a path. So since I have one, I'm going to edit it. So I'll give a semicolon here to indicate that this path has finished and give the path for the workspace. I haven't actually created the workspace yet, so I'll go ahead and create that one first. Go new folder. I'll create a new file here. I'll open it up with Notepad. So let's open up a terminal. Go run hello. It worked. So that's basically all the configuration you need to do. That's it, guys. Click over here to watch my last video, and I'll be doing a lot of videos, so like, subscribe and stay tuned. Bye.